In the last video, we established this relationship between the x and y values of two data sets that were closely related by an exponential function, and that was this exponential function here, y equals 1.0508 times 2.0859 raised to the x. Now let's spend a few moments with StatCrunch and make sure that we understand exactly what happened here. Again, here was the output for the regression that was generated using the log base 10 of y on x. Here's our linear equation where we have log of y, which we again converted to this relationship using our log properties. Here was the scatter plot along with the fitted line for that relationship, x and log base 10 of y. And again, the residual plot that shows that these are pretty well scattered randomly on top and on bottom of the line y equals 0, this horizontal line at y equals 0. Now let's go here to StatCrunch and let's see what this function that we have generated actually does. And in order to do that, let's click Data, Compute, Expression, and then let's use the function that we found. So we'll click Build, and we'll have 1.0509 times 2.0859 raised to the, and now what we want to raise this to is the x value. So I'm going to click the x column and click Add Column. Now when I click OK and compute, what I should get back are values that are close to the ones that are in the y column here. And they are. We can see 2.1, 2.192, 4.8, 4.57, 8.5, 9.53. Now the question is, why are these values different from the ones in the y column? So in this last column, we have the values that were predicted. So these are the predicted y values using our function here. In this column, we have the values that were observed. So we have predicted values and observed values. The predicted values are generated using this function, y hat equals 1.0509 times 2.0859 raised to the x. The predicted values are the values that lie on the regression line, where the observed values came from the actual data set and are represented by the blue dots that form the actual scatter plot.